Hi, Nick from Solution World of Clean. What have we got today? We've got Xtreme tea and coffee remover. Covers a bit more than tea and coffee, so beverage stains, orange juice, things, Ribena, things like that. Drinks with dyes in them. Obviously tea and coffee contain tannin. This doesn't contain any bleach at all. It's a blend of acidics, nice and safe to use, and it's ready to use. Don't dilute it. Simply treat the stain that you're dealing with. Work from the outside of the stain in, nice and gentle, and blot to remove. You're usually going to leave it 5 or 6 minutes to work, and then ideally rinse off to finish. You're not going to bleach your carpet with it. It doesn't contain bleach, as I've already said, so it's nice and safe.